But when we are releasing same amount of carbon dioxide, then how can we accumulate hopelessness? And we do accumulate hopelessness and attract disease. How do we do that?
Dev Kanya, we are designed to release the same amount of carbon dioxide in every breath. But humanity has free will. When we accumulate hopelessness, it changes our breath rate. And that is governed by how much hopelessness we are accumulating. By accumulating hopelessness, gradually we are going out of alignment. We are not moving towards light. But nature is non-judgmental. It loves us all equal. Whatever amount of hopelessness we accumulate through the day, nature releases it in the night during sleep and brings us back in alignment.
You said, only when we accumulate hopelessness for a very long time, we attract disease. So if nature is releasing our hopelessness every night, then how do we manage to still accumulate hopelessness?